Hi guys, Brian here at BBK Performance. We're out on the West Coast this week at our R&D facilities in Temecula, California, over near San Diego. I wanted to show you guys what we got working on. So, as you can see, this facility is set up to have a bunch of different vehicles here at the same time. We've got an in-ground chassis dyno, we've got an above-ground dyno, a couple of cool projects that are going on. This is a 67 Corvette. We're in the middle of basically resto modding it. So this will be a personal driver, something I plan on keeping, and putting some modern 17-inch rally wheels on it, basically resto modding, fuel injecting the motor. And then we've got our 2010 Camaro. This is something we're actually going to be selling soon. So anyone looking for a Camaro, this thing's like new. It's got about 75,000 miles and it was used for a bunch of development product. We've got a Dodge Ram here at the shop. So we've been working on a ton of new truck products. So the Dodge Ram truck 2019 and up. We've got shorty header, long tube header for the 5.7, oil separator, 2 different throttle bodies, a cold air kit, and then we've got a new axle back system using our Veritune adjustable mufflers. So some really cool stuff for the Dodge Ram. We love the Dodge guys. We've got a lot of cool Dodge stuff. I've got a Dodge Challenger 6.4 I daily drive out of Florida. This is a cool project that I wanted to show you guys. This is an example of what happens when you build something and you're too busy working and you don't drive it. So this thing sat in our showroom for what, 12 years?
Yes.
So recently, Guy, who's head of R&D out here in California, he went through the whole car, basically had to replace fuel tank, fuel pump, everything was completely rotted.
Corroded fuse boxes. And
yeah, we wanted to make sure this thing was built. It's a factory 5 Cobra that we actually, I personally, with Guy, I think back in the 90s,
we put
the whole drivetrain in it, did a bunch of stuff. We used to take it up to Willow Springs, do some road racing in the Cobra Owners Club. The tires had to be replaced. They were dry rotted. They literally were the original tires. We put it back on it in what, 26, 27 years ago?
Yeah.
So everything got done a couple days ago. He went through the whole car, made sure everything's perfect. It's got our, show you a couple of things that are on it. It's got our SSI-R intake. This is something that was really cool back in the 90s. You know, we actually came out with this stuff probably early, late 90s, and popular up until, I think it was discontinued, what, 7, 8 years ago?
Yep.
Yeah, you just have so many people doing the Coyote stuff now, even though we love the old 5-liter motors. This is actually a 347 stroke version. There just wasn't a big enough market still for some of the manifolds, but we are looking at bringing some of that original stuff back in the future. So it's got valve covers, our headers, cold air intake, aluminum underdrive pulleys, our billet fuel rail kit, throttle body, you name it, even our mass air meter. So it's basically a 5-liter Mustang drivetrain on the car, 9-inch Curry rear end, and let's see, Guy, if you made it work. So
I hope so.
Guy did his job. This thing will fire up, and that's the beauty of fuel injection. It should fire right up. There we go. Sounds good. I guess I need to actually drive it, huh?
Just needs to be driven more.
So I'm going to drive it this time. So check out us on social, check out all the cool stuff the guys are working on, and follow us at bbkperformance.com. Thank you.